Quick revision of math class short answer sums. Question number 1. If sum of zeros of polynomial 2x square minus k root 2x plus 1 is root 2, then k is, we have to find k. Now a is equal to 2 quotient of x square, b is equal to minus k root 2 quotient of x. If alpha, beta are zeros of polynomial, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. Root 2 is equal to minus k root 2 by 2. Root 2 is equal to k root 2 by 2. K is equal to 2. Question number 2. The probability of winning a game is 0.79. What is the probability of losing the same game? PE naught is equal to 1 minus PE equal to 1 minus 0.79 equal to 0.21. The roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is not equal to 0 are real and equal. Then the relation is d equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The relation between ab and c or ac is equal to b square by 4. In AP, the first term is a is equal to 7. Then nth term is Tn84. Sn is equal to 2093 by 2 and n is. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. 2093 by 2 is equal to n by 2 7 plus 84. 2093 is equal to 91n, n is equal to 23. Question number 5. If p is equal to 18, a square b to the power 4, q is equal to 20, a cube b square, where a and b are primes, then LCM of p and q we have to find. Now p, factorize 18, 3 square into 2 into a square b to the power 4. Q is equal to factorize 20 here, 2 square into 5, a cube b square. LCM, take highest power of 3, 2, 5, a and b. So here highest power is 3 to the power 2, here 2 to the power 2, here 5 to the power 1, a to the power cube into b to the power 4 equal to 180, a cube b to the power 4. 6. Question number 6. Find length AD, d is the midpoint of BC. Now d is the midpoint of BC, then apply midpoint formula. So this is d point is 6 plus 0 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2, that is 3, 2. Now AD, we have to find AD, apply distance formula. AD is equal to 5 minus 3 whole square minus 6 minus 2 whole square under the root, that is under the root 68. Question number 7. Secant theta minus tangent theta is equal to m. Find secant theta plus tangent theta. Now we know secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. Factorize secant theta minus tangent theta into secant theta plus tangent theta is equal to 1. Now put the value m here. Secant theta plus tangent theta is equal to 1 by m. Find probability of getting a prime number from 1, 7, 9, 16, 25. Here 7 is the only prime number. Probability of getting 7, that is n by ns, that is 1 upon 5. If zeros of polynomial x square plus px plus q equal to 0 or twice the zeros of polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0, then p is what? If alpha and beta are the zeros of 4x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 by 4. Sum of 0 of polynomial x square plus px plus q is equal to minus p by 1. As per sum, minus p is equal to 2 into 5 by 4, p is equal to minus 5 by 2. Question number 10. Point A is 3 minus 5, b is x minus 5, ab is equal to 15, then we have to find x. ab square is equal to 15 square. Now x minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 minus 5 whole square equal to 15 square. Now x square plus 9 minus 6x equal to 225. So x will get contribution x square minus 6x minus 216 equal to 0. Factorize. So we get x square minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 equal to 0. Take x common. X into x minus 18 plus 12 into x minus 18 equal to 0. Take x minus 18 common, x minus 18 to x plus 12 equal to 0. Answer is 18 minus 12. Question number 11. If cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0, find the value of cos alpha plus beta upon 2. Now 0 is equal to cos 90, cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos 90, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 by 2, that is cos 45, equal to 1 upon root 2. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. Ratio of surface area of a sphere to that of two hemispheres taken together is. Now area of hemisphere is 4 pi r square. Area of one hemisphere, surface area of one hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Surface area of another hemisphere is also 3 pi r square. So 4 pi r square or 6 pi r square is equal to 2 by 3. The middlemost observation of every data arranged in order is called median. Question number 14. Two die are rolled together. The probability of getting sum of number on two dice as 2, 3, 5 is. Now sample space of throwing a 2 die 36. E is getting 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. These are the 5 possibilities of getting sum on the top of die as 2, 3 or 5. So n is equal to 5. P is equal to n by ns, that is 7 upon 36.